Hi everyone, welcome back to Keto with Lee. Today's recipe is marinated squash. Now for those of you who are new to my channel, please subscribe for new low-carb recipes every week. Also, remember to visit my website at www.ketowithlee.us for the written recipe as well as the macros. Now, before we get into the recipe, please remember to hit that like button, people. Give me some support here. Now let's get right into this video. Okay, so what we have here is our squash. So I had one zucchini, I didn't want it to go bad, so I put it in here as well. So this, see how I cut them? Just chunks. Okay, and we're gonna go ahead and salt these. And then we're gonna set them aside to sweat. This helps release that moisture that they usually have. So we're gonna set the timer for 10 minutes and we'll be back. So while the squash is sweating, what we're gonna do in this bowl here, we're going to combine our oil, whether it's olive oil that you're using or you chose to use the coconut oil. Our minced garlic.
Mom!
Yes, Jaden?
What are you buying the fish? You need to.
I'll be right there. I'm recording. Hold on. This is rice vinegar. I'm making dinner. Our sugar substitute, we prefer Swerve or stevia. This is Swerve. Granulated. And in here we have cayenne and black pepper. I put it in this big bowl just to mix it up. I'm gonna put it back in one of these. I'm gonna, I just used a huge bowl. Sorry, I had it on hand. Don't know why. Okay. So when we are done, that's what it looks like, guys. When we are done sweating the squash, then we'll be right back. So let's see if you can see this on camera. I don't know if you can. I think you can a little bit. The sweat. So these really, look at that. It's even in the pan right there. Can you see that? That liquid right there. So I'm gonna go ahead and see if I can drain this. So, here's another pan. So here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna pat these dry on top. Okay, as best as I can. Just transfer them over. I don't want them to save that stuff at the bottom. See all that juice in there? Woo, did really good. All right. So now, the mixture that we made earlier, right here, while they were sweating it out, remember that? We're gonna go ahead and pour it on top. I'm gonna get my hands into it. And try to get all of the squash, in my case, zucchini, covered. I'm gonna let that sit and I'll be right back. I'm gonna go ahead and dump our squash. Ooh. We're gonna cook it on medium-high for at least 5 minutes or until they turn brown. Plate this, and I'll show you what it looks like.